What's going on, guys? So it's no news that for you to participate in the Haven1 Testnet airdrop, for you to receive your airdrop, you have to participate in the test net. Okay, and this is now mandatory. The test net is where you get to get a few tokens, the Faucet tokens, which are not really real tokens, and you have to also complete your registration by signing in and stuffs like that. And you have to also link your email address and perform your KYC on your official site before you be able to receive your airdrop. Alright, so this is what I'm going to be showing you now. Note that this is mandatory. You have to participate in the testnet Faucet to also receive your airdrop, and I'm going to be showing you all this real quick and real fast. Now if you notice right here, it says we are extending the Haven1 wallet submission deadline to November 15, 2024. Please complete these following steps before the deadline to be eligible for the airdrop. Now, step 1 is register on Haven1 Testnet and connect your Web3 wallet. Now, your Web3 wallet is your Metamask wallet. So, step 2 is complete your KYC on Haven1 Testnet. Yes, you have to complete your KYC, or else you won't be receiving any of the airdrops you have mined. Step 3 is submit your Haven1 token linked wallet address or Splish app. What we're going to be submitting is your core EVM wallet address, and for those of us who don't know how to do that, I'm going to be creating a video for that. After this very video, you're going to see that very video come up next. Now, the very place we're going to perform this very KYC and all that is on Metamask wallet. That is where we're going to be pasting the link. Alright, so I'm just going to head over to Twitter right now. So we're on Twitter right now, and this is the update. This is more like a guide, alright, of the extended withdrawal deadline. Now this is the official link, which is testnet.haven1.org. You can go ahead and just type in haven1.org, which is org, but if you want to go straight to the process, you can just use this very link, which says testnet.haven1.org, and you arrive at the page directly. But we're not going to be opening this page on Twitter, rather we're going to be opening this page in Metamask. Right, once you have downloaded the Metamask wallet, you have to make sure that you add core chain in your Metamask wallet. Okay, and to do that, it's really simple. All you just have to do is to come over to this browser icon right here. Just click on the browser icon, and this is scan.cordao.org. right, that is what you are meant to impute in the search bar of Metamask. So I'm just going to do this right now so you see it clearly. So I'm just going to click on home. So you click on this very place that says search or type URL. So I'm just going to click on this right now, and I'm going to type in the keyword scan.cordao.org, and I'm going to hit search. Scan.cordao.org. I made a mistake, and I'm going to hit search. Now this is going to lead you to this very site. All you just have to do is to scroll down to the very bottom and then click on this very one that says add core network. Okay, the moment you click on it, it's going to ask you to switch network. Okay, and once you switch network, it's going to automatically add this network in your Metamask wallet. So I'm just going to click on this wallet icon right here, and the moment I click on it right now, this is my core right here. This is how it's also going to appear. This is another network I added, but that will be a topic for another day. So what you want to do right now is to head over to this browser section again. I'm going to click home right now. Okay, so we're going to paste in that link we just copied, right? That link of testnet.haven1.org. We're just going to paste in that link right here and click on search. So as you can see right now, join the workforce wrecked resistant blockchain. Now this Haven1 project is all about securing the blockchain, securing your assets and all that. So what we're going to do right now is to register on the Haven1 testnet and connect our Web3 wallet as we were asked to do right here. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead right now and click on this very button that says complete registration. So I'm just going to click on it right now. It's requesting for Chrome, but we're still going to use Metamask wallet here. Okay, and this page is loading up right now. Now as you can see right here, this is the first thing we're meant to do, which is to connect our wallet. Okay, note that the reason you'll be doing this on Metamask is so you can easily connect your Metamask wallet. So we're going to go ahead right now and connect our wallet right here. Okay, so I'm just going to click on connect right now, and we're going to select Metamask. Okay, it's going to ask you the account you want to connect. I'm going to click on account 1, click on connect, and you can see right now account 1 is connected and active. Okay, so this is the display name Haven1 Testnet, chain ID is 810, network URL is also testnet RPC Haven1. I'm going to click on confirm, and it's going to ask you to switch network. Okay, new network added, Haven1 Testnet is now available in the network selector. We're just going to go ahead right now and click on switch network. So you see, you have switched to Haven1 Testnet. I'm just going to click on got it. Okay, so I'm going to wait for this to process right now, and as you can see right now, the wallet part is ticked. So we're going to go to the next step, which is connect your email address. I'm going to advise you to connect the email address you use for your Satoshi app, right, for easy recognition. So I'm just going to go ahead right now and type in the email address I use for my Satoshi app so that I can easily be recognized. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead right now and click on sign up. Now we're being asked to put in a referral code right here. All you just have to do right now is to just paste in the referral code you see on your screen right now. Okay, just like the way I'm going to be pasting in the referral code of the person that informed me of this. Okay, so I'm just going to do that real quick and then come back to this very video. Okay, that's done. We're going to select the account type, which is, I'm going to select individual, then country of residence. I'm going to select my country of residence, which is Nigeria. So my referral code is set, the account type, which is individual, is set, and the last is the country of residence. And I'm just going to go ahead right now and click on sign up. So as you can see right now, sign up complete, do your KYC next. Complete your KYC for maximum reward, of course. So we're going to head over to the KYC tab by clicking on this very button that says complete your KYC. And right now it's processing. And as you can see right now, complete your KYC to mint your H passport. Now complete anonymized identity verification to collect your Haven1 passport NFT to transact safely in the Haven1 space. We're just going to go ahead and click on connect right now, and we're going to click on Metamask, right? And then we're still going to select account 1. Okay, this is processing right now, and it says sign in. We're going to click on sign in right now, and as you can see, Haven1 Testnet account 1 balance is 0. I'm going to click on sign. As you can see, account type, I'm going to click on this drop down arrow right now, and I'm going to select individual. Now select country of residence. I'm going to select Nigeria. Okay, Nigeria, and then nationality, I'm also going to select Nigeria. So these are the 3 information we are being asked to provide. All right, the individual, the account type, all right, the country of residence, which is country you currently reside in, country you currently stay in, and your nationality, the country you come from. Okay, your own country. Okay, so I'm going to click on confirm right now. So to complete this KYC, we have to switch to our mobile or default browser, all right, because the KYC verification, which would require official verification, cannot be done in Metamask wallet. Okay, and to do this in our browser, which is Chrome or Safari or Mini browser, we have to copy this link right here. Okay, so I'm going to copy this very link right now, and this is the time you leave Metamask and head over to your browser. So I'm just going to X out of this and then open up Chrome browser. Okay, and then I'm going to paste this very link I just copied at the top and hit the search bar. So as you can see, it says verify your identity. Number 1 is a face scan, prove that you are real. Number 2 is ID document. Alright, let's do this. Now click on start verification. Next, you click on I accept the terms and conditions. Make sure you read this instruction well, because you're going to be doing just everything you've been asked right here. You can go ahead right now and grant camera permission. And now they're trying to let you know that once you click on grant camera permission again, you're going to see a pop-up notification that's going to ask you to allow them to use your camera, which of course you should click on allow to grant this app full camera access. So we're going to go ahead and click on grant camera permission again, and once the notification pops up, we're going to click on allow. Now click scan my face and the facial verification process will begin. Now once you're ready, just go ahead and click on the black I'm ready button and follow the on-screen instruction. So as you can see, a success message has now displayed, meaning that our facial verification process was a success. Kindly note that the facial verification might not work all the time, so you have to keep trying until you get it right. Now we will need to capture an official ID document, and to do that you just have to click on continue verification. So next you click on continue verification, and then you select document country. I'm going to type in my country right here. You type yours or that of the country you reside in. Okay, it's going to ask you for either your passport, national ID, driver's license, resident permit. I'm going to go with the national ID. And capture front document. Show that your front side of your document is clear and all text is readable. So I'm just going to click on scan my document right now. But before you do this, make sure you have your documents ready. As you can see right now, documents uploaded. So your document has been uploaded successfully, submitted, and is awaiting verification. We're going to go ahead right now and click on continue. And as you can see right now, it's pending verification. So your identity is currently being verified. Please allow up to 24 hours for the process to be completed. So we're going to go ahead and click on finish right now. That is it for that. Please note that this KYC is mandatory. Alright, if you don't perform this KYC, you will not be able to claim the tokens you have mined from the Satoshi app. Okay, so you just have to perform the KYC. Very important. The Satoshi team made this known on their official Twitter handle. Alright, and I'm going to show you that very tweet right now. So this is the tweet right here, and if you scroll down right now, and they asked a question and they answered it completely. Why KYC? Now the reason is it's crucial for full platform access and to qualify for the H1 token airdrop. This is the very reason you have to perform this KYC. Back to our Metamask wallet right now. If I click on the wallet section right now, you will now see that we are officially on the Haven1 Testnet. This is the chain right here. This is the account right here, indicating that we are in the Haven1 Testnet. And right here, you will see that my H1 token is 0. Now, how do we participate in the faucet? Because another important thing you need to do is to participate in the faucet. They stated this clearly that you need to do this. Okay, so they value you in this very project. So how do we do that? We have to head back to the browser section, right? Okay, and click on back. Okay, right now you can see KYC in review. Your identity is currently being verified, like I told you before. Please allow up to 24 hours to process to be completed. So I'm just going to click on this very H icon right here to lead me to the testnet homepage, right? The testnet homepage. Now if I scroll down right here, you're going to see this very message that says claim H1 token from the tokens faucet. So I'm just going to go ahead right now and click on claim H1. Remember, my H1 was 0, right? But we're going to be claiming this right now, and we're going to see what this is going to turn out to be. Currently it's loading up, right? And right here our address is already here. Okay, our linked address is already here. I'm just going to click on sign in to access faucet. Okay, so I'm going to click on sign in to access faucet, just in case you are signed out, and I'm going to click on sign. So it's loading up. Now, as you can see, refer an M bonus or request for test H1. Okay, I'm going to click on request for test H1, right? And I believe this is going to appear in our wallet right now. Okay, let's just give it some time. So as you can see right here, guys, transaction successful. 10 testnet H1 tokens have been added to your wallet. You can use them to interact with the application within the H1 ecosystem. Okay, so we're going to I'm going to X out of this right now, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the browser section right here. Sorry, the wallet section right here. I'm going to click on this right now, and as you can see right here, guys, we now have 10 H1 testnet token right here. So this is what they want you guys to do, right? They want us to do this. They want us to engage with the network, complete your registration, complete your KYC, and participate in the testnet faucet. Okay, this is all the things that would qualify you for this airdrop. By the time of watching this video, it might be too late, but the reason I created this video is just to let you know the important things you need to do to qualify for H1 airdrop. So this is it, guys. If this is your first time stopping by, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for future updates. If you want to stay even more updated, then join our social media handles, which is Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp, using the link in the description of this very video, guys. Link to join the Haven1 Testnet will be in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, don't be stingy with likes, leave a like, and if you have any question, also drop them and I'll try my best to respond to you as soon as I can. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.